Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Telegram and confirming you're in the right account. Once inside Chats, swipe down on the chat list. This reveals the Archive Chats bar. On Android, the archive appears as a separate section at the top, and on iPhone, you pull down slightly to expose it. Make sure your app is updated so the gesture works. These first steps get you into the archive area, where hidden or muted conversations live, ready for the next actions. Once you're viewing archive chats, use the search bar to quickly find a chat by contact name or a message keyword. This saves time versus scrolling. If you prefer manual browsing, scroll through the archive and use long press on Android or swipe left options on iPhone to reveal actions like unarchive, mute, or delete. Tap any archived chat to open and read messages and media. Opening does not automatically restore it unless you explicitly unarchive, so you can inspect content. To finish, decide whether to keep the chat archived or restore it. Tap the chat, then choose Unarchive to return it to your main chats list. This makes it visible again. Alternatively, use mute, delete, or export options from the chat menu to manage it without cluttering your inbox. If you can't find expected archived chats, make sure Account Sync is active, check search filters, and update the app. These steps fix most issues and get your archived items back in view.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.